You put it on, you shake it, and you go. Okay. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, baby, pull up a chair, hang out with us for a little bit, see if you like it around here, and if you do, make sure that you subscribe, like, share, you know, do all of the things, and come on back and be a part of this family. All right, now I know y'all are about to say, Tori, you're forever talking about a wig. And you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. As an alopecia girly, I am always talking about a wig. I am, because I love a good wig. And y'all are also going to say, Tori, you're always talking about HerGivenHair wigs. I am. Because when it comes to curly wigs, and not just any curly wig, let me curly wigs that look natural, HerGivenHair is always going to do it each and every time. And I love the fact that it's called shake and go, because that means that we should just be able to throw that bad boy on, shake it a little bit, and go ahead and go where we need to go. All right. And that's what we need sometimes. As busy people, we need that wig that we can just throw on and go, and we don't have to worry about nothing else. Now, this shake and go wig also comes with bangs, so I'm really excited to try this on. Now, we've already washed her, and when it comes to washing my wigs, I like to go in with a clarifying shampoo first, then a hydrating shampoo, and then a conditioner. Let that conditioner sit for a little bit, rinse her out so that we can be good to go when it comes to wearing and styling our wig. Okay. Now, before we put the wig on, let's get into a couple of specs. This is a 18-inch Coily wig. They give you a little lace right here, so if you want to do like that natural looking part with bangs, you can do that. They also bleach the knots on this lace, and I really do appreciate that. It also comes with 3 wide tooth combs, 1 at the bottom and 2 on the sides. Adjustable straps in the back on each side. And of course, my fave, the drawstring. All right, y'all, I'm ready to put this wig on. So let's put on our wig cap first. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Let's put her on. Oh, she has a good feel already. Okay. Oh my gosh, what do y'all think? Oh my gosh, look at those bangs. Not the bang, not the bang. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so first impression, she feels amazing. Okay, like the hair itself feels really good. Okay, now I just want to tighten my drawstring. I use the drawstring on all of my HerGivenHair wigs, and I just tuck it underneath the wig. Even if you don't use the drawstring, tuck it underneath the wig. You feel me? We won't need nobody seeing that. That's your business. Okay, now that we have her on, let's style her just a little bit. I want to keep it simple and not add too much product to the hair. So I'm going to use this Chief Rockamousse for definition and moisture. And even though the hair is still a little damp from me washing it, I'm going to add just a little bit of water before I go in with the mousse. Mousse. And I am just gonna go ahead and coat the hair with it. And I'm gonna use this brush to just brush that mousse through the hair. And now I'm twisting this section just to kind of get it out the way of the other section, you know? All right, let's go in with some water. Mousse. Run that mousse through this hair. And y'all, please don't ask me how many pumps of mousse I use. I just go with the spirit. Kind of like when you cooking and you don't use no measurements because you just following the spirit. That's what I'm doing with this mousse. Twist this too. All right, let's go to this side. Water. And y'all, this hair is so easy to brush through. We love to see it. All right, let's do this section. And I still got mousse on my hands from the other section, but that'll be all right. Now, let's do the bangs. A little water, a little mousse. Brush through it. Boom. And if you want to, you can use like a little bit of concealer or lace tint mousse to help define the part, like if you really want it to stand out. But to be honest, I'm good with how it is. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment to help dry and set the hair. when you think you're recording, but you're not. I just untwisted the hair because I didn't dry it all the way with it twisted. I just untwisted the hair because I didn't dry it all the way with the hair twisted. I just wanted to dry it a little bit. And I want to finish drying it with the diffuser with it untwisted. Okay, loves, she is fully dry out. And I'm just going to go in now with a little bit of this hair oil just to help add a little shine. Plus, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Now to me, I like the length of these bangs, but there is just one piece right here, boop, that I want to cut. And this piece as well, just a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And now I'm gonna take this pick and just kind of add a little bit of volume, but not too much, just a little bit. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. And at first, y'all, no lie, I was nervous. I was like, Tori, this might not be the wig for you, okay? Because I've never done like a curly wig with curly bangs before. So I was super nervous. But HerGivenHair was like, we think this is gonna look beautiful on you. We really wanna send this wig to you. And I was like, okay, send it. Let me try it. And y'all, I'm glad that they did. First of all, these coily curls, gorgeous. These bangs, adorable. The fullness of this wig, unstoppable. Y'all, I really like this wig. Oh my gosh. I need to keep my hands out of it. Oh my gosh. It's so hard, but I really like this wig. And the name of this wig, Shake and Go, is perfect because really, you put it on, you shake it, and you go. Okay. And let's just be honest about it. If you're dealing with hair loss, hair thinning like me, I feel like this is a really nice wig for us because you don't have to worry about no lace. You don't have to worry about no glue. You don't have to even really worry about the combs. Even though it comes with combs, using that drawstring is good enough. Cause baby, where's she going? Nowhere. Nowhere. Okay, Tori, keep your hands out of it. She's not going anywhere. We can just throw this bad boy on and go. You know what I'm saying? It's very simple, very easy. But anyways, y'all know I look out for my people. So yes, we do have a discount code. And I'm gonna put that in the description area with the link to the wig. Just in case you wanna grab a cute curly shake and go wig for the fall and winter, because I don't care what time of year it is, we all need that wig that we can throw on and go. It makes life 10 times easier. Especially when you're dealing with hair loss and hair thinning, you need something quick and easy that you can throw on and go. Loves, I just cannot get over how much I really like this hair. Oh my gosh. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you comment, like, and share. And if this was your first time here, please come back. Subscribe so we can hang out and get to know each other better. Be a part of the family. You feel me? All right. Anyways, loves, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.